Well, so I'm at this place called this is Narayan Pet, and I'm here as part of this thing called Bring a Smile. We are my sister runs an NGO, and basically right now we are here to kind of help out these weaver families to uh, help them run a business and all of that. So we've been here since morning, and it's now late afternoon pretty much. So whole day I have not made a video, but just now I felt I should make a video. So really, people, it's hot sun and I'm baking, and I'm making this video from my old phone. But really, and the kids are busy playing. But this is this nice place we've come to check out some of the different type of khadi mask and bags and all of that. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.